Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about flower crochet flower designs. Whether you are making a gift for mom or you are waiting to embellish a head or bag that you just made, you are going to love these beautiful blooms. There's something in this list of free flower crochet patterns for everyone, even if you just want to brighten up your coffee table. Crochet daisy bookmark, large flower crochet patterns, open center crochet patterns, flower bunting patterns, teeny pony flower, 5 petal crochet flower patterns, simple crochet leaf, loom flowers, crochet flowers, sunflower bouquet, crochet daffodil, carnation crochet patterns, 7 petal crochet patterns, loopy flowers, button on flower, accent, granny in the middle crochet flower, pointy petal flower, crochet fancy pattern, puff stitch flower, 9 petal summer flower, crochet flower, hand raisio flower patterns, potted flower crochet patterns, daffodil bulb, little rose patterns, sweetheart love flowers, flower clusters, crochet patterns, crochet rose patterns, crochet flower pillow patterns, the dainty daisy bookmark, crochet daisy baby blanket, lavender crochet patterns, crochet poppy patterns, daisy crochet flower patterns, spring daffodil crochet patterns, daisy flower crochet patterns, the easier crochet flower everyone. Make adorable coasters or put them all together as a blanket, maybe flower shaped dishcloths will make cleaning the kitchen fun. Mora crochet has the most beautiful flower patterns and the best photography. Enjoy perusing her site. Crocheting the same flower in different colors will create a gorgeous bouquet that never wilts. This cloth is sure to brighten up your kitchen.